Hey, I'm doctor. Well, I'm not a doctor. But anyway, the final exams are over and I can finally do whatever I want and upload videos. Not like somebody was waiting for me to upload a video, but you know, I'm free now and I can do whatever I want. I was vibing in the internet looking for a new topic for my next video, and then I told myself, hey, I could do a video answering all the questions that is asked from the astrophysicist. You know, that kind of typical questions. So today I'm gonna do a video answering 8 most asked questions about astronomy. Let's start with the first one. How old is the universe? Well, as we know, the universe is 13.8 billion years old. We don't know exactly if this is the certain number for the age of the universe because maybe in the future it will change. How did he discover this number? There's 2 ways. The first way was discovered by Edwin Hubble. Edwin Hubble was studying the light of the galaxies and the stars. He realized that many stars are turning to red, and in physics, when something is getting more far from you, the light will appear as red. If it's getting close to you, it will appear as blue. So that means the galaxies are moving away from each other. If the galaxies are moving away from each other, that means someday they were close to each other at one point. So scientists measured the distance between the galaxies and how long did it take for them, and the number was 13.5 billion years old at the first time. But after a while and many researched it turned out that the age of the universe is 13.8 billion years old. The second method, which is a little bit harder than the first one, the scientists study the age of all the stars in the universe. Why the scientists study the age of the star? Because if the age of the star was X, the universe age is more than X. It took the scientists a long time to study all the stars, you know, but the surprising thing, they didn't find any star older than 13.8 billion years. So that means the universe is older than the stars, and the 13.8 billion years is the true number. Some scientists claim that there's a star actually 14 billion years old. But even if it's true, the age of the universe should be more than this star. Why the universe is expanding? For a long time, scientists didn't know why the universe is expanding. They only know why the universe expansion is accelerating due to the dark energy. But now, scientists know why the universe is expanding. At the first moment of the Big Bang, the heat and state energy was so dense and pressured that the universe caused to expand forever. We're not sure if this is the true answer for expansion, but we can simulate it by the explosion. Like when something is exploding, like the gas tanks, we see the pressure is holding it and then just expand. The fire like flies everywhere. Why Big Bang take place? Well, answering the why for this question is actually impossible, because it's like showing you the ashes of a burned paper and asking you what color was this paper. How am I supposed to know? It's already burned. The best thing the scientists can do is telling you what happened moments after the Big Bang. The scientists can know what happened after the Big Bang in 0.10s of zeros a second, but they don't know what happened 1 second before the Big Bang, or even at the Big Bang, I don't know. Does life exist outside the solar system? Well, you tell me. There's 100 billion stars in our galaxy alone, and there's 200 billion galaxies in the universe, and every star in the universe at least shall have 1 or 2 planets, and if you add this number and you will get this result. So you tell me, are we alone? What conditions are necessary to create life? Well, this is a long goddamn topic and we need a full video about it. But if you wanna, like in a nutshell, you need 3 things. First, we need energy. For example, the sun's energy or the geothermal energy. Not that much. We don't want to disturb it or like change its physical shape. Second one, heavy elements. For example, carbon. Why we are saying carbon? Because carbon is one of the extraordinary atoms that is connecting to the other atoms from 4 directions. So it will help to combine between the molecules and create bigger elements. Third one, liquid. Why we liquid like water or I don't know, methane's lake and like Titan, the moon of the Saturn? Why we are saying liquid? Because in the liquid, the atoms and molecules move freely. In gas, the molecules and atoms are moving really fast and they can combine with each other. And solid, we know, is something like a rock, it never changes. But in liquid, you can move freely and it will help to combine and interact the atoms with each other and create new molecules. So yeah, this is the three main things you need for life. But like I said, it's a long topic, we need to make a video about it. What is the universe made of? Well, I don't know, generally or like the normal matter. If you mean the generally, universe is 4% normal matter, 25% dark matter, and 69% dark energy. But if you mean the normal matter, it is mostly made of hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium exist everywhere. They are the cheapest elements in the universe. And stars on the planets and the space clouds, they are everywhere. And they are the lightest elements in the universe. Why galaxies are different in size and shape? Well, the same reason there are different stars in the universe. When the mass and temperature is pressured in one point, sometimes it gathers more mass than the other points. So it creates bigger stars, bigger galaxies, you know the difference. And in terms of size, galaxies are bigger and smaller due to the collision that's happened between them. So this is why they are different. What is like inside the black hole? We don't know. We've never been there. But according to Stephen Hawking's book, Brief Answers for Big Questions, the information is destroyed when entering the black hole. So the information or anything that passes the event horizon, it will never comes out because it will be destroyed and teared apart to the smallest particle in the universe. And it will turn into a subatomic particle. So nothing will actually comes out from the black hole, like radio waves or like lights from inside the black hole. But what we know, there is something inside the black hole called singularity. Well, we have time for one more question. Wait, no.